Hello everybody, today, I will give you a complete guide on cleaning your C drive and freeing up space. Not every piece of advice you hear on YouTube is correct. I will tell you what to delete and what to keep. So let's get started. Press Windows key +R to open the Run command window. Type Temp, then click OK. These are Windows temporary files created by programs during the installation process. Once the process is complete, they are no longer necessary and can be safely deleted. Press Ctrl+A to select all files in this folder, then press Delete. Easy, right? Now, let's go back to the Run command window. Type %temp% with percentage symbols and hit OK. This folder contains another set of temporary system files that can be deleted. As you can see, it is about 600 megabytes. Select all files using Ctrl+A, then press Delete. Now, let's open a new folder. In the Run command window, type prefetch and press OK. Now wait. I see many YouTube channels advising people to delete files in the prefetch folder, but that is not a good idea. Why? Because the prefetch folder helps Windows speed up startup by gathering ready-to-use information about programs. These cached files improve boot times, and deleting them will slow down your system's startup process. Now, let's check their size. Right-click anywhere in the folder and choose Properties. As you can see, the folder is only 22 megabytes, that's practically nothing. So, please keep these files. Now let's use the Windows official cleanup tool, Clean Manager. Press Windows key +R. Then type Clean Manager and hit Enter. Here you can choose the drive you want to clean, select C drive, then OK. Now check what you want to delete, like temporary internet files, or DirectX files or this delivery optimization files, which is really take up a big size. And then press Cleanup button. Now, prepare yourself to free up gigabytes of space. Open the Start menu, type Restore, and choose Create a Restore Point. Now, select your C drive, then click Configure. I have an option to free up 5.2 gigabytes of space, but wait. These 5.2 gigabytes contain essential backup files that you might use to restore your system if anything goes wrong. If your system is stable and free from viruses, you can delete them without worry. Click Delete. Tell us in the comments, what is the size of your restore points? Anyway, you can also disable System Restore, but I do not recommend it. Last but not least, open your computer and check your Downloads folder. This is where most of your downloaded files are stored. Delete what you no longer need. Don't forget to check your Documents, Music, and Videos folders as well. Finally, take a look at your installed apps and system applications. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Then Installed Apps. Here you can find all the installed applications on your machine. I think you might find unnecessary apps, old programs you no longer use. Anyway, you can sort them by size, large to small, then uninstall what you want. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on new content. See you next time.